A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much glad to meet you all again in this video. And we are on another Sunday, and in this week we are going to see the agriculture current affairs between 26th of September to 1st of October 2021. Come on, let's get into the video. Never forget to make notes, it will be helpful forever. In very first, we are going to see the United Nations World Food Programme and International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics (ICRISAT) signed a Memorandum of Understanding to improve food nutrition security and livelihoods in India against the impacts of climate change. And the deal was signed between World Food Programme India representative and country director Bishav Parajuli and ICRISAT Director General Dr. Jacqueline Huggies on September 24th. Coming to the next, Sajat Mehendi from Rajasthan, known for its medicinal value, have received GI tag, and from the northeast states, the traditional brew of Dimasa community, Judima from Assam, and Naga cucumber from Nagaland, known for its high potassium content, also bagged GI tags. Coming to the next, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs organized the launch event of the convergence between Prime Minister Formalization of Microfood Processing Enterprises and Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihoods Mission Day NULM scheme, and it was jointly launched by Durga Shankar Mishra, Secretary MOHUA, and Pushpa Subramaniam, Secretary Ministry of Food Processing Industries, during a virtual event organized as a part of Azadika Amrit Mahotsav. And the online seed capital module developed on Day NULM Management Information System was also launched to help in effective implementation of this convergence. Coming to the next, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, launched 35 crop varieties which are climate resilient and higher nutrient content, and these have been developed by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR to address climate change and malnutrition. And the main key points are the 35 varieties include a drought tolerant variety of chickpea, wilt and sterility mosaic resistant pigeon pea, early maturing variety of soybean, disease resistant varieties of rice, and biofortified varieties of wheat, pearl millet, maize and chickpea, quinoa, buckwheat, winged bean and faba bean. Added to this, PM also dedicated to the nation the newly constructed campus of National Institute of Biotic Stress Management in Chhattisgarh, Raipur, and distributed the Green Campus Award to agricultural universities. Coming to the next, the United Nations International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste is annually observed across the globe on 29th of September to focus on the opportunities to reduce food loss and waste and restore a resilient ready food system. And the Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations and UN Environment Programme are the leading agencies in facilitating the observance of the International Day of Awareness on Food Loss and Waste Reduction. Coming to the next, the Union Minister of State for Food Processing Industries, Shri Praglad Singh Patel, inaugurates two-day Northeast Summit on Food Processing Industries at IIM Shillong and reiterates Act East policy and calls Meghalaya a hub of infinite possibilities. Coming to the next, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in association with the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, virtually launched the PMFME scheme, that is Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Enterprises Scheme Seed Capital Module, and urban SHGs can avail rupees 40,000 seed capital through the Day NULM MIS portal, which we have seen earlier. Coming to the next, Department of Fisheries organizes a webinar on Fisheries and Aquaculture Extension for Sustainable Techno-Organizational Transformation of Fisheries and Fish Farmers, and Shri Jatindranath Swine, who is the Secretary, Department of Fisheries, highlights the contribution of freshwater aquaculture towards fish production of the country. And coming to the final thing, our Union Minister Shri Narendra Singh Tomar launches Hamul Honey, and National Beekeeping and Honey Mission is pivotal in increasing the income of small farmers, says Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. And these are all the previous week agricultural news, and with this we are concluding, and I hope the video will be very much useful to you. Thank you for all your supports, and do subscribe to our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon, and do share to your maximum. Never forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you and see you all again.